Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, nut-free, super quick and easy, super tasty, super healthy, super crispy. These are the healthiest and easiest cookies ever made, and they're so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour half a cup of sesame seeds into a food processor. Next, pour hot water over 8 dates to make them super soft. Now throw them into the food processor. After that, blend it until smooth. Shape about 10 little balls. Then press the balls down with a fork. And bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until golden. Let them cool and enjoy super tasty and super healthy cookies. Thanks for watching.